Hey my beauties. Okay, so today I wanted to do like a morning mukbang. I wanted to show you what I always go for in the mornings when I drop my daughter off at school. I always go to Tropical Smoothie. I don't know if you can see that, but Tropical Smoothie Cafe. Tropical Smoothie Cafe, oh my gosh, so great. And this is not a paid promotion or anything like that. I just love this company. Y'all, if y'all don't have it in y'all city, if y'all go to a different state, go to Tropical Smoothie. So good. So today I am drinking Mocha Madness. It has coffee. It has coffee cappuccino, dark chocolate, and non-fat yogurt. So the non-fat yogurt, it's in here. It tastes just like a smoothie coffee, and it's so good. It's not chunky. It's not ice. It's not, you don't taste a lot of ice. It's very, very smooth. You see that? So when you get something with Tropical Smoothie, when you get a food item, so you either get an entree or a breakfast item. They have wraps, and they have salad. They have salads, yeah, they have salads too. But I always get my favorite. This is my ultimate favorite from Tropical Smoothie. Are the sun chips. That's the side, and the Chipotle chicken wrap. I love the Chipotle chicken wrap. I love it so much, I get it all the time. And I love it so much that I bought the stuff from the store, but I have bought the wrong bread. They use panini bread, and I bought pita bread, and it was like so dry. So this is what it looks like. That it has tomatoes, it has grilled chicken, it has Chipotle sauce, lettuce, and pepper jack cheese, and bacon. My beauties, you gotta get this. So good. And it's, to me, it's healthy. Sorry, my nail is off. Okay, Mom. I'm taking them off anyway. This is my nails. Yeah. It's about time to take them off. I actually kind of made them kind of wide. A little bit at the top. But it's okay. Do I wear makeup every day? I put a little bit of makeup on. If I'm not doing the full face, I might put maybe a little eyeshadow, or I put my concealer as eyeshadow, and I put it around my eyes. Of course, I put my concealer on. I put my do my eyebrows, and I do put some eyeliner, mascara, some blush, a little bit of blush, and that's it. Putting a little pizzazz to your face. It doesn't have to be much. You know, you see all these makeup gurus on YouTube, on Facebook, or wherever, they literally have a full-blown face, but nobody has time for that, especially with 2 little kids. I don't have time to do a full-blown face every morning or every day. What I said before, I don't know if I said this before, but I say it to people all the time. Makeup just makes you look like you're important. You're important. It's like I stand out. I take really good care of myself. And don't forget to go onto my website, www.marykay.com/beautifyus. And I have some makeup on there. I have some skincare on there. When you do put on makeup, you have to make sure that your face is healthy underneath the makeup. Like, literally, I used to have really, really bad acne. As soon as I hit puberty, I had bumps all over my face. I was so self-conscious of my face. I would cry to my mom. I need something that was gonna work. I tried everything. I tried different tips and everything, home remedies, and it just wouldn't work. Hormones flare up, like when it's that time of the month. I get like those little red bumps, and they're not poppable. So I was like, okay. And I have my pores are slightly big, so I was very self-conscious of my face back in the day. And now I'm grown, and I'm with Mary Kay, and I'm a beauty consultant, loving the skincare products, and the skincare products have changed my life. Literally changed my face. My face is very clear, very shiny. I had also too, along with the acne, I had dark spots all over my face. So think about it. Pimples, dark spots, I look like a cheetah. And it just, when people are looking at your face all day, and it does make you a little bit self-conscious. It does make you lack confident a little bit when somebody's staring in your face and you're hoping that they're not like, ugh, or you're hoping they're like, oh my gosh, they need to do something, blah, blah, blah. And I always just think that, right? But people would be like, oh, you're so pretty, blah, blah, blah. And I just didn't think so. But I got on birth control. How I knew it was hormonal acne, because the birth control took away the acne when I got on birth control at like 18. I said, oh wow, my acne is gone. So, but I didn't want to keep being on birth control just for my acne to go away. Oh, I did ask my mom when I was a teenager. I asked her, could she help me? Can you do something? I did go to the doctor. They prescribed me this cream called, I think it's called Tritonian or something like that. That cream, I don't know how much it is today, but that cream, $200 if you didn't have insurance, or if you couldn't, or if you paid out of pocket for it. Who's gonna buy that every month or every time it's out, right? Not me. After I had my baby, and I will show some before and after pictures of what I looked like while I was pregnant and after I had my baby. Even before I had my baby, I always use filters. And I'm not trying to make anybody feel bad, but if you're using filters on your photos, yes, filters are cute and it make you look like you have makeup on, but what's the point of using a filter? Because I hear women all the time say, I don't wear makeup, but you're using a filter that is the same resemblance of makeup, right? And makeup modifies your face, but it enhances your beauty. Filters enhances your beauty. So I don't understand why some women are against makeup if you use a filter in your photos. So I use the filter in my photos in every photo I have on my phone, because I wasn't wearing makeup, or I was wearing a little bit of makeup, but I still use a filter because my skin was not healthy underneath. I still had pimples, I still had spots. But now, since I'm with Mary Kay and I'm advertised and I sell them and I basically wear it, and I am a beauty consultant, my face, yeah, my face. Just telling you, it just changed me. I don't even have to take a picture without filter no more. So, think about it. Are you using a filter because it's cute? Or are you using a filter, your skin needs a little bit of TLC? Because sometimes we use a filter because we have hyperpigmentation. We have dark spots. We have sunspots. We have discoloration. Meaning we have the light spot right here, but dark in the middle, dark right here, light spot right there. I had all that, y'all, because I was in the sun. The CC cream I wear is SPF, broad spectrum. The daytime defender that I use for my skincare regimen, daytime defender, SPF, broad spectrum. And we have replenishing gel for the summer, and we have sunscreen, Mary Kay. Guys, hit me up for some products, or we could do a virtual facial. I can ship you the samples, and we could talk all about it, girl or guy. I'll be right back. I want to show y'all a little lip gloss combo, and I have put it on this morning. I was like, ooh, it kind of matched my shirt, what I got on. So it is spring, and I'm in the spring feeling, and my birthday's coming up soon. So I'm excited. And when it's spring and it's all sunny outside, I'm all hyper and I'm like a little bunny rabbit. All right. So this is my lip gloss that I sell. This lip gloss is called Chosen. Chosen. So this is the lip gloss combo. So I'm going to use my Mary Kay little makeup wallet with my little lip gloss on it. And I'm going to show y'all one more time what's in it. I have the little mirror. You can put your little cards right there. Yeah, I have my concealer. I have my eyeliner, lip liner, and mascara. And what else is in it? I have my lip gloss. Okay. And then I have Chosen. And this is what I like to do. Okay. This is what I like to do. Is put this lip gloss on the outside, like lip liner, and put it up there. Just do that a little bit. Now I grab Chosen, and I put that. And the outside's like a little peach color, gold peach. I put lip gloss on kind of weird, so don't mind me. You don't need lip liner all the time. If you don't have lip liner, or the lip liner that you want, just get your color lip gloss. So it's like it goes on like a little peach golden color. And you see, it kind of matched my shirt. How do y'all like it? So this is a little hack if you don't have lip liner. You can use, I like color lip liner or color lipsticks, so I would put that on the outside, and then I'll put the color that I want in the middle, so it can give me that ombre look. And yeah, let me know, comment below, let me know how you like it. And don't forget to purchase off my TikTok shop, and I am going to be running a sale on my lip glosses, so look out for that. And yeah, y'all have a great day.